Why warm morning drinks aren't always safe after 60. Before we begin, if you care about your health after 60, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a kind comment below. Your support truly helps our small health channel continue sharing important information for seniors. Thank you so much, it really means a lot to us. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Every morning, do you reach for a warm drink because you believe it's gentle, comforting, and good for your body? Warm water. Warm tea. Warm lemon water. Or maybe a warm herbal drink to wake up your system. Most seniors believe warm drinks are always safer than cold ones. But after 60, that belief may not always be true. Today, we'll talk about why certain warm morning drinks may quietly stress your body, slow circulation, or affect heart health, and what doctors want seniors to understand before making their first sip of the day. Stay with me, because this information could change a habit you've had for decades. Section 1: Why warm drinks feel so right after 60. Warm drinks feel comforting for a reason. As we age, our digestion slows. Our circulation becomes less efficient. And our nervous system reacts more sensitively to temperature. Warm liquids relax muscles, soothe the stomach, and give a sense of calm. That's why many seniors are told, drink something warm in the morning. It's easier on your body. And in many cases, that advice is partially true. But here's what often gets overlooked. Not all warm drinks affect the body the same way, especially after 60. The temperature, ingredients, and timing all matter far more than most people realize. Section 2: The hidden morning response in aging bodies. After 60, your body wakes up differently than it did at 40. Blood pressure changes faster. Heart rate responds more strongly. Blood vessels are less flexible. When you drink a very warm or hot beverage first thing in the morning, it can trigger sudden internal reactions. For some seniors, this includes a temporary spike in heart rate, changes in blood pressure, increased demand on circulation, mild dizziness or fatigue shortly after. These effects don't happen to everyone, but they happen often enough that doctors have started paying closer attention. Section 3: When warm becomes too much. There is a difference between gently warm and hot. Many seniors unknowingly drink beverages that are hotter than their bodies can comfortably handle in the morning. Hot tea. Hot coffee substitutes. Hot lemon water. In aging blood vessels, excessive heat can cause sudden vessel dilation, increased heart workload, a temporary drop in blood pressure after the initial spike. This can leave some seniors feeling weak, lightheaded, or unusually tired, even if they think the drink is helping. Section 4: The issue with certain ingredients. It's not just the warmth, it's what's inside the cup. Some common warm morning drinks include ingredients that can stress the body after 60. Strong stimulants, acids, concentrated herbs, high sugar content. When combined with heat, these ingredients absorb faster into the bloodstream, intensifying their effects. For seniors with heart sensitivity, circulation issues, blood pressure concerns, this combination may quietly strain the system. Section 5: Why doctors are more cautious for seniors. Doctors don't say seniors should avoid warm drinks entirely. What they caution against is assuming all warm drinks are harmless. After 60, the body's ability to regulate internal temperature and blood flow is reduced. What once felt energizing may now increase heart strain, reduce oxygen efficiency, disrupt morning balance. That's why many health professionals recommend paying attention to how you feel 10 to 20 minutes after your morning drink, not just during the first sip. Section 6: Signs your morning drink may not be ideal. Here are subtle signs seniors often ignore. Feeling tired instead of refreshed. Mild dizziness. Heart pounding or racing. Cold hands or feet afterward. Sudden hunger or weakness. These aren't dramatic symptoms, but they can be signals your body is reacting poorly. Section 7. Better morning habits for seniors. Doctors often suggest small adjustments rather than elimination. For example, choose mildly warm, not hot. Sip slowly instead of drinking quickly. Avoid strong additives first thing in the morning. Allow your body 10 to 15 minutes after waking before drinking. These small changes can reduce stress on the heart and circulation. Section 8. Why this matters long term. Daily habits shape long-term health. A morning routine repeated every day for years can quietly influence heart function, blood vessel health, energy levels, overall wellness after 60. That's why awareness matters more than fear. This isn't about panic, it's about understanding your body at this stage of life. Section 9. What this video is not. This video is not medical advice. It does not replace your doctor's guidance. It's educational information meant to help seniors ask better questions, notice body signals, and make informed choices. Always talk to a healthcare professional before making changes, especially if you have medical conditions. If this video helped you understand your morning habits a little better, please like, subscribe, and leave a supportive comment below. Your engagement helps this small channel reach more seniors who care about healthy aging. Thank you for watching, and take gentle care of yourself every morning.